like the turning waist and pushing palm, we'll exhale as we turn. And here I want you to just use your breath to bring your body forward. Then again, exhale on the other side. And now just inhale and use the breath to bring you back because of that internal pressure. Exhaling. So gently squeezing through the waist and then using the pressure of the diaphragm to unravel ourselves. And exhale again. This feeling of how the pressure fills up the space is kind of the same idea when we're just sitting normally. We just don't have as much of a contrast to notice it. So I would say let's do that rotation again. Exhaling. Now notice as you inhale and use your breath to return how that stretch and open the lumbar as well. Exhale. Squeeze, turn the lumbar. And then inhale. Letting the lumbar also return into place and pull you in. Exhale, rotate. Inhale as you let go of the rotation. And notice how that helps to place your lumbar area a little more. And can you notice how when you inhale, there's a little bit more tensegrity through the abdominals wall when you're coming back. There's just more of a circle around the waist that's holding us in place. Now, we'll do that again. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, come back to center. And see if you can let your breath go all the way down to the perineum. Exhale. Inhale, back to center and down. Feel almost as if you're heavier on your chair. Exhale. In. And if you want to have even more fun, if you're not holding anything in your hand, you just hold a ball of chi. You exhale. And when you come back, you just kind of let go. And just like a door stopper that vibrate, you let your body go on its own. So I'm not moving, I'm just squeezing. And if I have enough tonicity and elasticity, when I inhale, not too much, because if I'm contracting too much, like if I'm inhaling strongly, I'll be stopped in place because everything becomes tight and hold my breath. So I want to be exhale and just letting the elasticity pull me back, which will also create a bit of an inhale. Okay. Thanks for watching. Leave your question or comments in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to learn more about Taiji Qigong Shibashi, visit my website, qigong18.com, for more information on online classes and private classes, just like the one you just watched. Have a good day.